Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft Teams account. So, at first, what you have to do is just open up your Microsoft Teams software. After that, at the top right, you'll see your profile. Just click on that. And then you'll find an option called My Microsoft Account. Just click on that. It will open your Outlook account on your browser. Now from here, on the left-hand menu, you need to go inside your info. And after that, scroll down a bit after it loads and you'll find an option called Close Account. Just click on that. And after you have done that, Microsoft will guide you through how to close your account. You can read all of this and then just click on Close Account to proceed closing your account. It's also going to give you a 60 to 30 days grace period. That means if you decide to come back, you cannot delete your account then. But make sure you're sure about deleting your account before moving forward with this. And only if you're sure and confirm it, then click on Close Account. Be sure that your Microsoft account includes your Skype, your Microsoft Teams, your Xbox account, your Outlook services, and everything else. So be very sure before you do it. And that's basically it. And that is how to remove Microsoft account from Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.